is to plan a flight. Let's select one of our sites and now create a flight. Let's give the flight a name. Our date of flight, our site, and our camera. Here you can change your payload to whichever you prefer, but let's keep this to the RGB61 and hit create. Now let's start by adding the area of where we want to survey. Perfect. Now let's add our takeoff location and our geo barrier will appear. Let's move this slightly to cover the entire length of the flight. Now we can choose to either adjust the settings within our geo barrier, such as our safety parameters. Our takeoff parameters can be adjusted here. And the entire area of where the flight will take place is available to view here. We can now view our flight in 3D mode, and we can now begin to see our layers of the flight. At Wingtra, we colorize these so we can see our ground sampling distance. This is super important for us to make sure that we produce the highest level of quality of maps. The lower the number, the higher the resolution of the final image that will be processed. Then we can see our overall height versus ground level. Here, because this is a mine, an open mine, we can see we have some fluctuations here, but this is okay for us. And finally, we can see our visual line of sight. So from our takeoff location, where the operator will be based during the entirety of the flight, we can see here that the drone will be visible at all times. That's a very quick overview of how to plan a flight within Wingtra. Thank you. Bye.